At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. A medical examination report, or MER, is an official document completed by a certified medical examiner following a physical examination. It provides a thorough overview of an individual's health, covering key metrics like height, weight, blood pressure, vision, hearing, and a detailed review of their medical history. This report is essential for understanding a person's health status and any medical conditions that may impact their daily activities. Healthcare professionals use MERs to determine if someone is fit to perform specific tasks such as driving or operating machinery, by assessing their overall physical fitness and potential risks to themselves or others. This kind of examination is often required for employment or educational purposes. Many companies, for example, request regular medical checkups to ensure employees are healthy enough for their role. Similarly, educational institutions, particularly in fields like healthcare or sports, may require students to submit a medical examination report to ensure they meet health standards for their programs. To support healthcare professionals, Carepatron offers a standardized medical examination report template. This ready-made form allows doctors to quickly and accurately record a patient's health information during the examination, streamlining clinical documentation. The template is straightforward to use. Here's a quick guide to getting started. Firstly, download the template. You can download the template for free. Either use the in-app version by clicking Use Template or download a PDF copy, which you can find linked in the description below. Fill in patient information. Start by entering basic patient details: name, date of birth, contact information, and the date of the examination. Complete the examination report. The template includes sections for medical history, physical examination, and radiology. Carefully fill out each part after you complete the relevant part of the examination. Sign, distribute, and store. Once completed, sign the form and distribute copies as needed. Ensure that you're authorized to share copies with others beyond the patient, or leave distribution to the patient if required. This medical examination report template is designed to assist physicians with documentation. It's especially useful for primary care doctors, travel and tropical medicine specialists, plain physicians for immigration departments, designated civil surgeons, family doctors. Additionally, doctors working with patients who need medical clearance for tasks like heavy vehicle operation or aviation can use this template to fulfill periodic examination requirements. If you'd like to see a sample of our medical examination report template, check out the example we've provided. And to explore more templates or learn how Carepatron can simplify your practice management, visit our website and sign up for free. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more of our content.